you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have California Found for October. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my October California Found just arrived, and let's go ahead and see what's going to be in here. This does come in a mailer bag that I do remove, and let's go ahead and dive on in here. Hello, sunshine. I love my California Found because if you guys have been following me, you know I'm a California girl currently living in a Florida world, and this to me kind of like brings a little bit of home here. It's like a little bit of California delivered to my doorstep here, and I just love the way that makes me feel. So once you open it up, they do give you cards that go over each individual item on its own specific card, and then when we open it up, that's what we see. So let's go ahead and see what's all in here, see what goodies we're getting. Ooh, so right on top, I'm seeing some cashew brittle, handmade or handcrafted in California from California Brittle Company. And then here's cinnamon sugar toasted almond brittle. Let's see. Let me find the cards. Okay, so here's the card for these particular items, and it says feature product is mini bags of toasted almond brittle and cashew brittle, $3.50 each. You can use CA Found for 20% off your purchase. Expires 1/1/21. Ooh, you have a whole year plus for that one, and that's at CABRITTLECO.com. Like for CA for California, brittle, CO for company.com. And there she is getting her brittle on. Okay, so let's see. You know I love to try things, especially brittle. Okay, and let me try to break a little piece. So, toasted almond brittle. That is really good. That is really good. So, cashew brittle. My mom always used to make homemade peanut brittle, and oh, it was so good. So $3.50 each. Those are good. Those are really good. Okay, next item we have is in this little bag. Having trouble sleeping after a long day? You need this genuine amethyst rollerball and sleep essential oil blend. Amethyst helps with insomnia, and emotional issues. Our sleep blend will help soothe inflammation, treat anxiety, restlessness, and depression. For best results, apply to your temples and or your wrists. The sleep blend ingredients is coconut oil, vanilla essential oil, benzoin essential oil, bergamot essential oil, ling ling essential oil, and lavender essential oil. And there is the little amethyst crystals that are inside. Ooh, if this will help with sleeping, because my mind wanders way too much at night. I barely get any sleep because I have a busy schedule. Ooh, is that like an amethyst rollerball even? Is that an amethyst rollerball? Oh my goodness, I've never seen that. Let me see. It smells like essential oils. So I'm going to put this on my temples and my wrist tonight, and it says sleep. So this is the sleep blend. And this guy here is $39, and you can use code CAFOUND15 for 15% off your order. And this is the company's name. And there's like the website. So it looks like they have different ones, probably for different things with the crystals in them. I love crystals, and if that'll help me sleep, I'm all for it. I will definitely try anything. I'll at least try it once to see if it'll work. So, and it's very pretty. I love the amethyst in there, and I love that the amethyst is a rollerball. Like what? Okay, let's keep going. We have a revitalizing day cream and a replenishing night cream. Okay, so there's those. And this featured product is a moisturizing face cream duo. This is $30. You can use code CALI20 for 20% off your purchase, expiring at the end of this year at honeybellshop.com. So there's a day cream. I don't have like I'm not getting a scent or anything, so that's good. So yeah. All right, I can't wait to try putting that on my face in the morning, like when I'm doing my hair. Then I can do my makeup, and then I have the night cream. Let's see what that one's all about. Let's see. So there's the night cream. No scent on that one either. But they feel nice. Like, they made the top of my hands feel really good. So I'm so excited to try that. Next we have is in this box. This is probably the jewelry item. They normally have some type of like a jewelry item. Sometimes there's like a food item, which we got. There's like so many different things that you get in this box, and they're all from California artisans, and that's what I love. So here is, it says charitable jewelry, revive. Look how pretty. Those are like blue. Oop. They're like blues and greens. Let me try to get the glare off. That's really pretty. I like that. It would have came in 3 different colors. It looks like there was like one that's more of like a peachish color, a pink, and then this one. And these are sterling silver stud earrings in light pink, dark pink, or green. So I got the green, and these are $35. You can use code CAFOUND for $5 off your purchase. Expires at the end of this year at revivejewelry.com. So those are really cool. It even kind of looks like there's like a little bit of purple in there. I don't know, those are beautiful. I like the different color variations in there. So there's the jewelry item. And again, that's valued at $35. And there's one item left in here. Ooh. And you guys know, I love me some candles. We're getting candles in like all these boxes lately. So I'm like, I have so many different candles like on backup, and I'm loving it. I love having candles burning. So I'll take all the candles I can get. So this is from Barton Burns Pumpkin Pancakes. There's that. This is valued at $18. This is an 8-ounce soy candle and pumpkin pancakes. You can use code CAFOUND for 15% off your purchase. It expires 1/31/20 at bartonburns.etsy.com. That is very pumpkin-y, and it's a standard wick. That does smell like straight pumpkin. That does smell really good. Pumpkin pancakes, huh? And it's soy. Eco-friendly soy candle, hand poured in California. So we have a candle. So that is everything that came in this month's box. I will put the grand total of this box right here. So again, we got the candle that smells like pumpkin pancakes are brewing. Pumpkin pancakes sound good. I need to look up a recipe for that. I want to make some pumpkin pancakes now. We have a day and a night cream, which I appreciate. We got both, not just like one. We have a sleep rollerball, so hopefully that helps with some sleep. We have 2 different types of brittle to try out, which they're really good. And then we have these really cool looking earrings. So that is everything that we received in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I'm really liking these taste really good. I'm excited to try out, because my hands now feel so good, for the face day and night cream. I can't wait to try this sleep situation and see if it does help with my sleep. It smells pretty good. And then I can't wait to burn that pumpkin candle, pumpkin pancakes candle. Yes, 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 yes. So again, that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to know a little bit more about California Found, I will let you know of the pricing and that right now. So this box is a month-to-month subscription. It is $49 per month. For the US, it's $7.95 for shipping. For Canada, it's $16.95 for shipping. And for international, it is $23.95 for shipping. The box ships between the 25th and the 30th of every single month. It renews monthly and you can cancel at any time. Welcome to California Found, a monthly collection of expertly curated, beautifully crafted, small batched, and handmade goods from California's most talented artisans. Once a month, our subscribers experience the California lifestyle through a box filled to the brim with natural spa and beauty products, locally sourced gourmet treats, beautifully crafted home goods, and wearable jewelry. Each box tells a story of a unique section of California makers through their products and an individual note card dedicated to each one. Every beautifully packaged delivers reflects the laid-back, stylish, uniquely chic attitude that is so California. Now, they do give back as well, and it tells me on Welcome to California Found, October's 2019 collection. We're excited to bring this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products, and one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or to give as a gift. So look carefully. Good luck, sunshines. In addition to our ongoing commitment to 1% for the planet, this month in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we are setting aside 10% of our profits to support the Breast Cancer Research Foundation in their mission to prevent and cure breast cancer by advancing the world's most promising research. So visit bcrf.org to learn more and to donate as well. So not only are they still doing the 1% to the planet, but they're also doing the 10% for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That is amazing. So that is everything that we got, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.